Hi there, welcome. My name is Kelly. I'm a meditation coach, and today we are practicing a meditation for spiritual awakening. But before we get started, as usual, let's take a little time to show appreciation to our guardian angels. They are guiding us during this meditation. Thank you, spirit guides, ancestors, guardian angels, Archangel Miguel, for taking the lead in inspiring us during this meditation. Let's get started. Let's close our eyes in a comfortable position. Seated with your legs crossed or not, with your backs straight, spine long, tall, balanced. If you prefer, you can also lie down, lean against a wall, a couch, a bed, or find another position that is more comfortable for you. But if sitting in a chair, have your feet planted on the floor. And feel free to rest your arms, your palms, wherever feels comfortable for you. But today, I invite you to keep your palms up to facilitate the flow of energy. Now let's focus our attention on the breath. Our normal breath and its sensations. Feel yourself grounded in this present moment. Now let's take a few deep breaths, inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. Let's take the first deep breath, inhale, release, take another deep breath, inhale, let it go. Now let's take another deep breath, but this time let's breathe in and breathe out slowly. And during the in-breath, we count to 4, and during the out-breath, we count to 6. Let's do it. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, back to a normal breathing rhythm. Slowly bring your attention to your crown chakra at the top of your head. The crown chakra, the 7th energy center of our bodies, is responsible for our spirituality and enlightenment. So picture a beautiful purple light radiating from your crown chakra and flowing through all parts of your body. Fortifying all the other chakras and making its way back to the crown, to the top of your head. While you're doing so, feel yourself connecting with your inner being, with your higher self, with the non-physical part of you. Picture yourself, your inner being, connecting with a community of all living beings exactly where you are. With neighbors, passers-by, friends, acquaintances, family. Feel yourself connecting with nature, with animals, plants. And with that, feel all the love radiating through all parts of your body. Now envision yourself or your inner being connecting with more and more divine beings. And with that, feel yourself or your inner being, the non-physical part of you, expanding from your community to your city, to your state, to your country, to the planet Earth, and now to the universe. Feel yourself receiving divine love, immense love, and this love is flowing through you as you're showered with this purple light and receive guidance from your ancestors, your spirit guides, or guardian angels. Take some time feeling this infinite love. when you're ready. Slowly make your way back to your physical body. And while nourishing all this love and the impulses from your higher self, make yourself grounded, rooted on earth. And slowly bring awareness to where you are, wiggling your fingers and toes. And gently open your eyes. This meditation was meant to open and activate our crown chakra to connect our inner being, our inner self, with divine love and divine power to facilitate or expand our spiritual awakening. Thank you for joining me today. Namaste. And if you enjoyed this practice and would like to join me in some other juicy ones, don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you know the next time when I upload some other videos. In this way, it also helps with YouTube distributing to other people that can potentially benefit from it. Thank you so much, and I see you next time.